So we have number 6, 1 over the square root, which is number 6 here again. So you can see 1 over the square root of a squared, so 7 squared, just write it in to remind yourself, is going to become the inverse sign of x over a, which is x over 7 plus c. The x, again, this is the same as 1 over, it's just the 1 is missing. So we have 10 squared. So it's going to give us the inverse sign of x over 10 plus c. Number 7, we have x squared plus 5 squared. We've seen this in the example, 1 over a, 1 over 5 by the inverse tan of x over 5 plus c. This is 25 squared, 25 25s are 625. So we're going to get 1 over 25. Again, same as above, the 1 is missing, it's there. 1 over 25 by the inverse tan of x over 25. Number 8, slightly different, x plus 1 over x. So this is like x over x plus 1 over x, which is 1 plus 1 over x that we have to integrate. And 1 goes to x, and one over x goes to the natural log of x, just up here, 1 over x, natural log of x, plus ln x plus c. Part 2 is just the natural log of the bottom, x plus 1 plus c. 2x plus 1 dx is just going to be 2x squared. 2x squared over 2. Increase the power, plus 1 becomes x plus c, which is just x squared plus x plus c for 9 part 1. And the square, well, we could multiply out the brackets. Probably the easiest thing to do. So 2x by itself, 2x by 1 twice, and 1 by 1. That's what we're integrating, so we're going to get 4x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2. If you want to jot it off to the side, if you think it simplifies, that will be 2x squared plus x plus c for 9 part 2. 1 over 5x minus 1 goes to the natural log of 5x plus 1. And maybe I should have introduced it earlier. We had it in an example, but you definitely differentiate the x part 2, so that's times 1 over 5. So we get 1 over 5 times the natural log of 5x plus 1 plus c. And 1 over the square root of x is x to the minus a half. We bring it up. So if we increase the power by 1, we're going to get x to the power of a half and divide by the new power. The top is the square root of x, and the 2 will come up, so it'll be 2 root x is what this will become, plus c.